Assalamualaikum everybody, my name is Muhammad Zikri Ashraf, and today I will be showing you how to install your OS in your virtual machine. So first you must first acquire your virtual machine app, and today I will be using the VMware app. There is a ton of VMware softwares that you can use. Whatever. I will be using the one that my lecturer recommended me, which is VMware. So it is thing VMware. I will run you through the wizard of the application on how to install it. So let it wait. Once you reach at this setup menu, you should click next. I mean, you can read all this. I'm not gonna read it because I'm lazy. Anyway, next. Install hypervisor. I don't think you. I mean, if you want to, you just install, I guess. And next. And nah, you know, just click this. You can upload with bro. Yeah, right. I'm not gonna put start menu for YouTube. So install. Let's wait. I do apologize if I cough or anything. I'm still recovering from the flu. It sucks actually. So anyway, finish. We have the app here. Okay, VMware Workstation Pro.
We will show you preparation of installing this. So go to Chrome and search Windows 11 download. Click this web. Select download. Click Windows 11. Now wait for the validation. After that, choose for the language. Select English, United States. And wait for the request. Now click download. That's it.
So once you have gotten your VM software and your Windows 11 ISO file, we can proceed on set up the virtual machine itself. So first, once you have opened your VMware software, you can it should appear like create a VMware here, but I'm gonna do here and create on a new virtual machine. So let's it should be typical, but you can click on custom, next. Which station 17, next, and then install this image file, browse, go to wherever you put your IS file, so open, next, Microsoft Windows 11. You can actually pick other Windows over here, but pick according to your ISO file. So virtual machine, I'm actually gonna name it IMD 163. Next, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I mean, you can put anything on this as long as you can remember it, but I'm not gonna think it too much. So let's move on. So UEFI, numbers of processor, it should be 1, and then 4. Recommended memory 4 GB, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So NAT, yep, just leave it be. Next, and then let's create a new virtual disk. And before you do this, make sure your storage is actually you have enough storage to do this part. If not, your system might be slow after the installation of the Windows 11. So yeah, make sure before you actually do the video. So yep, we are done. Finish. As you can see, this is our virtual machine powered off. We haven't done anything. So let's continue to booting up the OS itself. So we need to wait, press space. If not, it will actually time you out and then you have to redo it all over again. So be quick. Alright, once you have reached this page, make sure it's English and this is also English. Next, keyboard to US. Next, Windows 11. I click I agree. Next, if it does pop this up for you, click I don't have a product key. It will take a while, so I mean you can pick Pro if you want, but I'm gonna pick Pro. So next, so you can read this, but I'm not gonna read it. I'm so lazy. So whatever, let's move on. So searching for this, yep, we have this one. So next, we are not going to create a partition yet. So that we will do it after we have installed Windows 11. So let's install. It will take a while, so leave it be. I will be right back once it's done. Alright, it took a while, like around 10 minutes I think. So let me make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I am. So we are in Windows 11. Hello. So is this the right country or region? I don't know, man. I might be living in the US.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Thank you a lot, I guess. Anyway. Is this the right keyboard layout? Yes, it is. I am not a psychopath. Nah. Checking for updates. This might take a while actually. Again, it will take a while to download everything, so I'm gonna leave it be. So once you reach this page and you encounter this message where it will let you log in into your Microsoft account, because it says that your device isn't connected to the Wi-Fi. So what you're gonna do is Shift Fn and F10, which is gonna bring up the command, but I already have one, so here. And then you're gonna type this oobe / I think bypassnro. And then it will nro. There. It will skip the thing entirely, and I think it will reset your computer. Instead, it will create a local account instead of using your Microsoft account, which is pretty nice. You know, sometimes I really hate Microsoft for like, forcing stuff on us, you know. Anyway, I'll see you when this is done. Alright, so we have to go through this process again. So bear with me. I will make haste. So welcome to the desktop of our new Windows 11.
Now I will show you how to set Timezone termination time. First, search for time zone. Now you can see it's 8 a.m. and actually it's 5 p.m. So click sync now. Okay. For the country, you can choose Malaysia as we want to change it to Malaysia time zone. Okay, click Malaysia. Now it automatically change to 5 p.m.
Iryani, Binti Hari. Today I want to show how to search system information in your laptop while using a VMware workstation. First, you can search system information in your Windows, and then after you click enter, they will show an icon system information. Then you click the icon, and in system information have a system summary, which is have a 3 function such as hardware resources, component, and software environment. The system information show item which is value in my laptop, and my Windows is my OS name is Windows 11, and this is the list of system information that have in up. So just take a look. For my system manufacturer is VMware, and other information will show in your Windows. That's all. Thank you.
Alright, so I am going to show you how to do a disk partition. So first, you want to search up for this partition. Alright, it took a while. So as you can see, we have only one volume, which is C. As you can see, if you want to check another way to know how many volumes you got, you can go to this PC, and there's actually 2, but just ignore this. We have one actual local disk, or we call it the OS disk. You see, there's a Windows logo on this drive. So what you're gonna do is right click on the C volume and then press shrink. So we are going to shrink a total amount of, actually I'm not gonna do that because that will be too low. So I'm gonna like maybe around 32 gigabytes. Yeah, 32 gigabytes. So after we have split the C volume, we have unallocated space here. We can make a new volume. So right click on this and then click on new simple volume. It will bring you to the wizard, and then we want to click next. We want to use everything, so next. So here you can pick any word. I'm gonna pick actually, you know what? Yeah, let's pick E. So let it be, don't pick any of this. And then next, that's okay. You can label anything, but I'm gonna label it extra. Yeah, extra. Do not change these two. Next, once you are happy with your decisions, let's click finish. look at that, we have successfully split the original volume, which is C, and we shrunk it to make space for the second volume, which is E, and make a new volume, which is extra here. If you want to make sure that it works, you want to go to here, and then you will see there's actually two disk drives. And it's like that. It's very simple actually. But please be careful. I don't want you to screw this up, because it can actually damage your hard disk if you do something wrong. So yeah, please be careful. And I think that's all from me. I will see you probably never, but bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Nuriman bin Dahalan, and today I will show you how to change the computer name and work group of your computer. First of all, click the button window in the taskbar and click on the settings icon. Once you get into the settings, click on the system, scroll and click on about. Once you get here, you can choose either on this section or in the domain or workgroup. You can restart the PC. As you can see, the PC name was renamed. After that, I will show you how to change the workgroup name. Click on the domain for workgroup. Click on change. Is a workgroup name and change it into IMD 163. As you can see, you just done the change of the workgroup. You must restart your computer after apply the changes. Close and restart your computer. As you can see, the workgroup is already renamed and you have done the process. After you change the name of your PC and the workgroup, and I will show you how to add user account. Firstly, click the button window, the start window, and click on the settings icon. search for the accounts. And click other user. There's a add other user section, add account. Click I don't have this person sign in information. Click on that. After you just get into the create account, add user without a Microsoft account. And fill the blank of who's going to use this PC and enter the password. And in case you forget your password, you can also fill the security question 1, 2 and 3. And after you just done your process, there's a new account of your PC. You can choose either change account type or remove the account. That's it.
Syazwina Iryani, Business Bahari. Today I will show you how to open Windows Update. To show Windows Update on your laptop, follow this step. Click the Start button and select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Windows Update on the left panel. Here you can see available updates and check for the new ones. For my laptop, it is complete updates to help keep your device secure. In Windows Update, show many functions such as update history, advanced options, and Windows Insider program. They will provide many information about your Windows laptop. This step is clear to you to understand the step. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will show you how to share a folder. Click folder and click down the area chooser. So I choose default, I'm in Zikri, and click show more options and give access to specific people. You can choose any other people if you want. So I choose everyone and share, and click this one and you are done sharing your folder.
Today, I will show you how to open Task Manager on your Windows laptop. Task Manager helps you monitor and manage running applications and system processes. First and foremost, you can click the Start button, type Task Manager in the search bar and select it from the result. Then, Task Manager will show you all the information about monitoring your application in your Windows laptop. Manager will show processes, performance, history, started up apps, users details, service. In processes, it shows percent of CPU, memory, disk, and network. For my laptop, my CPU is 100, memory is 64, disk is 3%, and network is 0%. Also, in performance, they will show CPU, memory, disk, and Ethernet. they will show a graph of CPU. That's all from me. Thank you.